Oh, Addie, are you hanging up an ornament?
Daddy, hey, Mommy.
Show it to Mommy. Daddy will get his hook out.
Let me see. Let me see. You show the camera your ornament. Oh, it's a Dora ornament for the Christmas tree, isn't it? Is it going to hang up there so you can see it? Are you looking at your other toys
No.
so far? Cool. Koopy, what are you doing?
Squeaky toy. Squeaky toy. Squeaky toy.
Squeaking his toy?
Yeah.
Oh. What is it?
What is it?
What is that, Addison?
It's Daddy, Mommy, too.
Yeah, what is that? Is that so you can be a doctor?
That's cool.
Yeah, that's a temperature
Open
thermometer.
You say thermometer?
Banana.
Yes.
Can you say stethoscope?
Go.
Good job.
Very good.
Open this.
Yeah, open this.